Welcome back to the ABCs of Real Estate. My name's Sarah Taylor. Today we are moving on to the letter O. And I'd like to talk briefly about open houses and how they've changed over the years. Open houses can be a wonderful way for buyers to see into homes and also for sellers to reach more people as buyers to offer on their home. It can also be a wonderful tool for real estate agents to meet new buyers and to show off the wonderful properties they have that they're marketing for their sellers. During the times of pandemic in 2020 and 2021, we've seen the advance of virtual open houses as well, and that's been a really neat thing. You can do a tour on social media live or pre-recorded and show off the home that way. And that can reach so many more people than just opening a door in a neighborhood and putting out a few signs. So virtual open houses can be a wonderful marketing tool if you're considering putting your home on the market. It can also be a great way for you to see inside more homes without actually having to drive there if you're a potential buyer. The wonderful thing about the video tours and virtual open houses that have become more popular is that you can learn so much more information about the neighborhood and the area where it's located and inside the home and its layout when you can see it in a video format. It's so much more informative than still shots of beds and kitchens. You get to really get the feel for the place. So I'm a big fan of the virtual open house. If you have any questions at all about that process or would like me to help you market your home, I'm more than happy to help out. I'm at 928-607-3015. Thanks so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you soon.